Kicking things off with the Cuisinart Deluxe grill tool set? Imagine a grilling powerhouse of stainless steel tools at your fingertips. This 20-piece set lets your stepdad sizzle, flip, and bask like a pro, all neatly housed in a slick aluminum case, transforming any cookout into a culinary triumph. Coming up, get ready to unleash beast mode with meat claws for pulled pork. These bad boys let your stepdad shred meats effortlessly, turning BBQs into a flavorful, carnivorous feast. With their hefty grip and dishwasher-safe durability, they'll make meal prep a delightful breeze. Here's another fine pick. BBQ Grill Light. Magnetic base. With blazing LED power and a flexible gooseneck, night grilling becomes a dazzling affair. It magnetically snaps onto grills, lighting every sizzling moment, transforming dark BBQ setups into bright gourmet stages. Let's not forget the digital meat thermometer with dual probes. This ultra-fast gadget gives precise readouts in seconds, ensuring juicy, perfectly cooked meats every time. Its auto-rotating display adapts to any angle, making grill monitoring a breeze and banishing cooking guesswork. Finally, personalize the grilling experience with a personalized BBQ apron for stepdad. Custom made with his initials, this durable cotton apron isn't just protective, it's a statement of style and affection, adding a personal touch to every sizzling session in the backyard. All links are in the description. Tap like to save this list.